Today we have to discuss about industrial park and special economic zone. So industrial park is specially designed area where some manufacturing and service related business they accumulate and they perform their operational activities. Here basically industrial park where the industries they set their own manufacturing unit for reducing the operational cost and increasing the efficiency in operation. If we go the feature of this industrial park, we find the proximity. That means the connectivity in between customer and supplier. It is related part because the proximity reduce the transportation cost. Regarding the infrastructure, here they provide the infrastructural support like water facilities, telecommunication facilities, electricity and all these things. Regarding the government support, what we get here, the regulation is very easy and some cases government provides some tax subsidies, tariffs, etc. Regarding incentive, government provides some incentive whenever some business operated under this industrial park area. Under special economic zone, what we find, it is entirely encourage the foreign investment, and special economic zone is the specially geographically located area and where the rules and regulations regarding the establishment is compared to the entire country is totally different. So that means some business whenever they operate under the special economic zone, their regulation and tax law, everything as well as state law is everything is different from the rest of the country. And basically government encourage the export process and foreign direct investment. If we see the Shenzhen Special Economic Zone in China, it is specially designed for the electronics and IT industries. In India, we find the Noida Special Economic Zone where they are specially designed for electronics and IT. And in some cases, we found that the chemical industries and textile industries also encourage in this case. So industrial park and special economic zone basically create the employment opportunity, it reduces the operational cost and side by side the efficiency of the product and manufacturing concern. In India, we find the concept of MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. So here they are giving different types of loan, some kinds of facilities given by the government, and Indian government they are encouraging MSME, and very small type of loan they can acquire. So some industries, some businesses who want to operate here, they are taking loan in very short amount of interest, or the rate of interest is very low. So basically SIDBI is very reliable here, as well as they are giving the financial support, and we find the SIDBI making India fund is also reliable here.